with D. Cooking with D. Welcome to Delicious Vibes. Before we get into this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below what y'all think of this video. Turn on your post notifications if you have never been to my channel and you want to get more recipes from me. Today's video, we are doing something different, but it's been going around, so I'm gonna get in the kitchen. Cooking with Kaya, you got your best one, okay? So I'm gonna make Cooking with Kaya chicken tacos, but I'm gonna add a twist to mine. I'm doing shrimp as well. So I do have my chicken already. I have my shrimp clean. I just gotta take the tails off, and then I do have the ingredients that Kaya uses, which is onion powder, garlic powder, chipotle sauce, Lowry's, slap your mama. I ain't making no homemade pico, Kaya, but I went to go buy some. And then I have a red onion, my limes, my cilantro, along with my tortillas. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything prepped. I did wash my hands already, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get everything prepped, and I'll see y'all in the next clip. Okay, y'all, now I went ahead to chop up my chicken, take the tails off my shrimp. I do have my oil sauteing in my pan, my olive oil, so that way when I put my chicken is ready, it can go all over in there. So now the next step Kaya does is she takes the lemon juice. I forgot to add that in the beginning, but hey, lemon juice in here, a little bit of slap. Yeah, mama. Some Lowry's. I haven't used Lowry's in forever. Kaya, these better be good. Shit. I don't be following people's recipes for real. But the way my husband been acting, baby, I gotta do something. Garlic powder. Onion powder. This is a brand new one. Come on, onion powder, what you being stingy for? Alright, and then she adds chipotle sauce. And I'm going to give that a little mix. She had pink gloves, baby. We got the blue ones, okay? So I'm going to go ahead. And she also added olive oil. I'm going to just put a little swig of olive oil. Just a little sweet, not too much because we already have some in our pan. And then I'm gonna go ahead and give this a, ooh, oh no, honey, a mixture. Make sure it's mixed in real good. She added cayenne pepper. She added black pepper. Girl, you gonna have me hot. And cayenne pepper. I don't even know if we got some cayenne. We don't got no cayenne pepper, Kaya. But I got the most of it. So I'll see y'all in the next clip because now I'm going to do my shrimp. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and put our chicken over. And get that brown, and we're gonna let that do what it's gonna do, and we'll check back on it. While that's browning and getting all that cooked up, I'll go ahead and come over here and wash my hands really quick. And then we'll go ahead and get this shrimp seasoned. Garlic powder. A little lemon juice. What's going on with this hot lemon juice? Onion powder. Slap your mama. Lowry's. Black pepper. And then I'm going to add minced garlic. Just a tad bit. I'm going to give that a mix. Alright, and then I'm going to put this over in the pan once it's ready. I got to turn the skillet on for this one. I'll see y'all in the next clip. Kaya, we got some. I just added the little sweet we had left, okay? I'm trying to do it the best way I can. Got my chicken. And then I just added my shrimp. What she did? Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Okay, let me. I'll see y'all in the next clip. So now that the chicken and the shrimp is done, we're gonna go ahead. The way she does her tortillas, she puts them in some grease. My grease has been on. I'm gonna go ahead and saute these shells, and then I'll see y'all in the next clip. Babe, how was it? You think it's gonna be good?
It smells good.
Not too much. You think it tastes good?
I don't know. Let's see.
Alright. And there you have it. Cooking with D. Cooking with D. Cooking with Kaya chicken tacos. So, yeah, y'all don't see tomatoes. My husband is allergic to tomatoes, but I'm gonna have him try it, and we gonna see what's tea. You ready, babe?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You said it smelled good, didn't it? Okay, babe.
Let's see. Sure you got the one, huh?
Okay, come on, not too much.
What you mean? You make a nice dish on the top.
D'Angelo, are you serious? They good?
And then the crisp with the tortilla.
Mm-hmm. You like it? So she can cook. And there you have it, you guys. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what y'all think of this video. And as always, this is Delicious Vibes. What you gotta say, babe?